So, good morning ma'am. I am Jenna Saavedra po and I will be performing the normal spontaneous delivery po. And sa equipments, we have Premi Gravida set, we have disposable syringe, Mayo scissor, needle holder, then forceps, Comic 2.0 or cold clamp, and then tongue forceps, then kidney basin, and then cotton balls, tapos lidocaine, and then Petri dish. Then, we have also po the multi-gravida set, yung kidney basin, mayo scissor, forceps, cord clamp, and then cherish. Tapos, Kelly pad, 2 pails, 3 pieces of linen, and then 2 pairs of sterile gloves po. Then, next po is after preparing the necessary equipment, i-prepare na rin po natin yung room. Dapat po nasa 25 to 28 degrees Celsius lang po siya and dapat po sterile na po lahat. And then, i-position na po natin yung client in a light autonomy recumbent position. And then, mag-perform na muna po tayo ng perennial care. And then, pwede naman po tayo mag-provide ng emotional support kay mother. And then, after that po is magsuot na po tayo ng mga personal protective barriers. Then, after that po is assisting the birth process. So, magwa-wash hand na po tayo and then magpuput na po tayo ng 2 pairs of surgical gloves. And then, tatayo na po tayo sa upright position ng mother. And then, i-check din po natin yung condition niya and be sure po na she has voided. So, next po is observe for the mechanism of labor. So, first po is the engagement. So, sa engagement po, pag yung fetal head ng baby is nasa part po ng maternal pelvic, so, yung fetal head po is mag-move toward the pelvic beam, either left or right occipital transverse, and i-allows niya po yung widest part ng fetal head para mag-fit sa widest part of the maternal pelvis. So, kung ito po yung pelvic ni mother, then ito si baby. So, sa engagement po is nandito pa siya. Hindi na po siya floating. And then, ready for next mechanism of labor na po. This is the descent. From the word descent po, yung baby po is bababa na hanggang sa pelvic floor due to the uterine contraction, abdominal muscle contraction, and amniotic pressure po. So, next po is the flexion. So, pag yung fetal head po ni baby is nagkaroon na ng contact sa pelvic floor, cervical flexion will occur po. So, sa cervical flexion naman po, yung chin ni baby is nakatouch na sa chest and then yung extremities niya naman po is magpe-flex para po maka-fit siya sa maternal pelvic. So, next po is the internal rotation. So, sa pelvic floor po, we have gutter shape with the forward and downward slope. So, kung sa flexion po is naka-transverse position, sa internal rotation naman po is magro-rotate siya from transverse position to occipito anterior position po. So, next po is crowning. So, sa crowning po, nag-o-occur siya pag yung head po ng baby is visible na sa vulva and hindi na po siya nagre-retreat po between contractions. So, next po is the extension. So, the occiput po is deep beneath the suprapubic arc as the head extend and the nape of the neck po is pivoting against the arc po. So, ganito na po siya. Yung head po ng baby is mag-extend na po. And then, this extension po causes the stretching of the perineum. Next po is the external rotation. So, the head externally rotates to face the left or right medial thigh of the mother po. And then, at the same time, the shoulder totally from an transverse position po to an anterior-posterior position. So, last po is yung delivery ng shoulder and yung body. So, this alignment po of the shoulder and the head is called restitution. Then, ina-apply po natin dito yung downward traction. So, sa downward naman po, ganito. Then, para po ma-assist yung delivery ng anterior shoulder po. And then, next po is upward traction para naman po ma-assist yung posterior. And then, left, this right, and then pull. So, after po makalabas ni baby from the mother's vagina, ilalagay na po natin siya sa abdomen po ni mother in a prone position. And then, after that po, pwede naman po tayo mag-health teaching like sa umbilical cord na linisan po yung cord 3 times a day kahit wala pong gamitin na soap, alcohol, or any antiseptic solution po. Like, water lang po talaga. So, after performing all nursing intervention po, we have to do aftercare. Remove na po yung gloves and then perform po ulit ng hand washing and then document na po lahat.